In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Excel data and charts into Word and PowerPoint. This is one of the quickest and easiest ways to move content from Excel into another Microsoft Office app, especially if you want to reuse a table or chart without rebuilding it from scratch. We'll be using the simple copy and paste method, which is perfect when you need fast results and a clean workflow. To begin, go to your Excel file and find the content you want to use. If you're working with data, select the table you want to insert. If you're working with a chart, simply click the chart so Excel knows exactly which object you want to copy. Taking a second to make sure you've selected the correct range or chart can save time later and help avoid formatting issues after pasting. Once your table or chart is selected, copy it. You can do that by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard or by right-clicking and choosing Copy from the menu. Both options do the same thing, so use whichever feels more natural to you. After that, open Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, depending on where you want the Excel content to appear. In Word, this might be inside a report, proposal, or document. In PowerPoint, it might be on a slide where you want to present numbers visually. Navigate to the exact spot where you want the table or chart to go, then click there to place your cursor or activate that area. Now paste the content by pressing Ctrl and V or by right-clicking and selecting Paste. Your Excel table or chart should appear in the document or slide right away. This is the fastest method for getting your content in place, and it works well for basic transfers when you want to keep things simple. If needed, you can reposition the pasted content afterward so it fits better on the page or slide. In many cases, you may also be able to resize it for a cleaner layout, especially in PowerPoint, where visual balance matters a lot. And that's it. You've successfully inserted Excel data or a chart into Word or PowerPoint using the quickest method available. It's a simple process. Select the content in Excel, copy it, open Word or PowerPoint, click where you want it, and paste. Thanks for watching.